that chest pain. You are feeling heaviness in chest. Normally a person is all well, but suddenly feeling heaviness in chest, भारीपन feel हो रहा है chest में, radiating of the pain, feeling sweating is there, palpitations which I have already said कि you are feeling your pulse rate outside the body, but you are feeling that my heart is beating, and sweating is there, you are feeling a lot of tired, अचानक से ही restless हैं आप. These are the very common symptoms of heart. मतलब you are all well but suddenly you are feeling something is off. You should get it. Anything else? No? Okay, so moving on to choking. I need a female.
अब चोकिंग के बारे में आज चौक सर जैसे वो
In case of choking, basic sign क्या होता है choking का? This is the very basic sign of choking. How you will know that person is choking is this. They will try to get that foreign particle out of their mouth. So what you need to do, you will have that person अपने आगे. Okay. You will have that person ahead of you. Your legs should be outside that person's leg. Okay. उसके पैर से आपके पैर बाहर होने चाहिए. Nextly, you will make a fist. Fist बनाएंगे दोनों हाथों से. You will hold the person like this. Belly button every person knows. You will have the belly button. Make a fist. Okay. Tight fist. Press on the belly button and push upwards.
push upwards.
Yes, push upward. A very fast push should be there. I am not doing it on her. You should put abdominal pressure. पेट पे आपने pressure लगाया, then you will move upwards. ऐसे करके upward. Okay? You will push and upward. It should be forceful, ताकि it can come out of the body.
नाभि के ऊपर ना मैम.
हाँ, नाभि पर आपको करना. यहाँ पे आपने किया, ऊपर आपने pressure लगाया. Suppose you have a pregnant lady. In that case, what you can do? You can do the same thing at the chest level. Because you cannot do it at the abdomen. पेट पे नहीं कर सकते आप. It will be very hurtful for that person. So what you need to do? You can do the same thing at the chest level. ठीक है? Any of two boys can try it out. See, if you will not try it, you will not know how to do it. Sorry, anyone is saying anything? Chocolate kids, small kids. That I did. आपके पैर बाहर होने चाहिए अच्छे से.
तुम निकालेंगे मोटे
फिस्ट बनाओ एकदम कंफर्टेबल. ऐसे कर एक हाथ को ऐसे कर लो और ऐसे. ठीक है? ऐसे बनाओ. जैसे पंच बनाते हैं ना, ऐसे करके ऐसे नीचे belly button पे. पंच बनाना आपको ना. पंच से ही you can have the pressure. Otherwise अगर ऐसे कुछ होगा तो pressure नहीं आएगा. पंच बना के इस हाथ से ऐसे करा and then up प्रेशर के साथ.
बस कर
नहीं रेलिवेंट नहीं है. नहीं वो रेलिवेंट नहीं है.
खाना खाते हुए जैसे आप बैठे हैं उस केस में
See, उस केस में खाना because this is the action mechanism. Effectiveness इसी से आएगी. जो हम पीठ पे थपथपाते हैं ना, in that case what happens if you have something over here only, अभी it has not went inside your body completely, just at the bridge of esophagus, वो हमारा food pipe है. In that case you can get it out. पीठ पे tap करके. But if you have swallowed it inside the esophagus, this is the only thing that you need. Effectiveness खड़ा करके ही आएगी, otherwise आप pressure ही नहीं लगा पाओगे बेड की. Okay. Now in case of a kid, अगर बच्चा ऐसे है that you can make that person stand, that will be the same mechanism you will be doing, but it's a small kid, infant है. What is the mechanism? हाँ, for the adults we call it Hemlich mechanism. You can search it on Google as well. We call it Hemlich. Okay. In case of a baby, what you need to do? You need to sit. Firstly, you will not be doing it standing. You need to hold the baby like this. Like this. Legs should be crossing your elbow. एक पैर इधर और एक इधर. Okay. You need to support the head with your 2 fingers. Okay. So see how quick you need to be. Firstly, you will keep the baby like this. आपने head को support किया. The first thing that I'll tell you before starting this is, if you suspect your child has consumed anything, please don't do blind finding. Okay, blind finding is I am trying to look if something is there in the mouth. That can lead to further more swallowing of that. So you don't need to do that. What you need to do, you need to keep the baby in your hand, left hand. अगर आपको please comfortable है तो you need to keep the baby like this. Okay. So how we do it? We sit in a chair. We keep our leg like this and here. Compressions जो आपने दिए थे ना, you need to do that 5 times. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 with pressure. Turn the baby, hold here, twist किया, then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again turn 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Again 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You need to do 5 taps and 5 compressions. If you feel कि कुछ गिर गया है मुंह से, well done. Otherwise, if you think that something is out, you can just have a quick look. That मुंह में कुछ तो नहीं है. If you feel that it's there, you can get it out. But if you still think that it's inside the esophagus or inside the body, again you need to start doing this. Okay? Just ऐसे hold करना है अपने hand में and you need to do taps and compressions. Okay?